which we want to put out for our viewers as well. So today is the last day for submissions to the discussion paper which SEBI had put out with regards to mutual funds and asking mutual funds to lower their total expense ratio. There were, of course, also proposals with regards to commissions that they were paying out to brokers. And the discussion paper said, well, it should be brought down to about 2 basis points. So what we understand is AMFI is likely to submit its suggestions with regards to SEBI's discussion paper. And Yash is picking up some of the details of what could be in that response and feedback. Yash, over to you.
Well, that's correct, Prashant. It is the last day when it comes to a submission of stakeholder views on SEBI's consultation paper, which had proposed reduction in the total expense ratio, essentially the expenses which mutual funds make to sell different kinds of funds. What we've been given to understand is the Association of Mutual Funds in India, that is AMFI, is expected to submit its suggestion, the industry suggestions with market regulator SEBI on that consultation paper today. And there are 2 to 3 important suggestions which are expected to be a part of that compilation from AMFI, which we picked up. The first one is that AMFI is expected to express reservation with respect to the kind of and the quantum of cut which SEBI is proposed as far as its consultation paper on TER is concerned. What AMFI believes is that the 1.2% or 120 basis points gap in the total expenses which SEBI has proposed for large mutual funds as against the entry or the small mutual funds is too wide. This provides significant disadvantage to large players when it comes to the expenses that they can make versus the expenses which small or entry level funds can make. Here, what mutual funds are expected to argue is that this would hamper the new fund offers from the large mutual funds as well as the distribution strength and may impact, circulation of mutual funds in tier 2, tier 3 areas as well. Apart from that, AMFI is likely to seek a more gradual TER revision once the fund size increases. They feel that the current revision as the TERs come down is very steep at this point of time. AMFI is also likely to propose the TER cap should start from 2,000 crore onwards and not from 500 crore. These are 3 most important suggestions. Apart from that, one that you mentioned, the brokerage of 2 basis points, AMFI is not particularly happy about that. According to them, it's too low and should be higher.
Okay, so let's see what all of this consultation yields on that all-important aspect of capping brokerage costs at just 2 basis points. And also remember that 5 basis points additional that these mutual funds could charge in lieu of exit loads being taken away. So those are some of the sticky points. And of course, TER, the industry has made its demand. It's now up for the regulator to decide. Gautam.